So guys, inversion is another way chord or triad could exist. Or we're talking about a way a chord or triad could be played. So that's what we mean when we talk about inversion. Like this is key C, and using the solfeggio pattern, we have the do, de, re, mo, mi, fa, fi, so, zi, we have la, to, ti, and then coming back to do again. Alright, these are the chords that will be played on the left hand while you are playing your right hand. Like this is do, C, G, C, de, C sharp, G sharp, and C sharp, re, D, A, D, mo, D sharp, A sharp, and D sharp. We have mi, we have fa, we have fi, we have so, fa, fi, so, zi, we have la, to, then we have ti, and then coming back to do again. Alright, so when we talk about inversion most times is played on the right hand. As you can see, the first triad you are playing on your right hand is called your root triad, which is this is your root. This C, G, A, C sharp, and E. Remember I showed you the solfeggio notes, which is this, and this. Alright, so looking at the inversions, alright, this is how I derive my inversion. C, G, because it's starting from the second, so don't get it twisted. We only have 3 inversions, and the right way to name the inversion is root, first inversion, and third inversion. So there's nothing like first inversion, second inversion, and third inversion. So we only have root, first inversion, and then we have second inversion. Alright, this is how they are derived. Now we have C, G. As you can see, you start from the second note and then you end at the first note for your first inversion. Then for the second inversion, you start at your third note, which is G, and end at your second note. Alright, so following this pattern, this is how the inversions are derived. Can you see them? Alright, just pay attention if you are one of those that is learning piano. A, C sharp, E, have C sharp, E and A, have E, A and C sharp. Alright, so following this pattern, hope you didn't still forget what we have. So let's say this is the full board now. So can you see it? So following this pattern, you can derive your inversions like this. I hope this helps someone who is learning the piano, and I just believe when you put your mind, life is all about determination, you definitely get it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and as well comment on this video. Alright, see you in my next post.